Interaction improvement. ZW3D 2023 has some improvements in interaction. We add the mouse gesture, shortcut bar, and a smart constraint inference. Mouse gesture and shortcut bar. Press Shift on the keyboard together with the right mouse button can call out the mouse gesture and select the corresponding features. Click Z on keyboard can call out the shortcut bar. The features and sub-features can be found in the drop-down list. We can also customize the mouse gesture and shortcut bar. For example, we add a section command in both mouse gesture and shortcut bar. Then, we can call out the new customized command. The Smart Constraint Inference will automatically prompt up the constraint toolbar of picking the geometries. We can select the corresponding constraint which is needed.